Philippine farming industry facing an aging workforce. It's not only farmlands that are shrinking, even the number of farmers has significantly fallen over the years. But there's still hope, as mobile journalist Danielle Dayao tells us in this report.
As Filipino farmers face an aging crisis, efforts are underway to encourage the younger generations to enter agriculture. Food production, rural employment, and the country's food system, all now at stake as farmers continue to age. Despite over 10 million registered farmers, the Department of Agriculture stresses the need for greater youth participation.
Yung sitwasyon natin sa sektor ng pagsasaka ay may challenge, especially on aging population with an average of 57 years old, and also the low participation of our young generation engaging in agriculture sectors. Very crucial kasi sila ang magbibigay ng panibagong perspektibo, yung mga innovation nila. May maraming mga ideya rin ating mga kabataan.
And with the sector evolving, the Agricultural Training Institute is rolling out free programs.
Yung agricultural landscape ngayon ay evolve. Meron naman tayong mga smart agriculture, integration of information technology, mga data-driven technologies, and as well as climate resiliencies. At marami pong programs, si ATI, for them to join and build a career in agriculture, particularly those who have innovative ideas to solve concerns in agriculture.
These programs include DG Agri-Haki, where students develop solutions to real farming challenges, internship opportunities abroad, offering hands-on training in modern agriculture, alongside e-courses and support for youth groups like 4-H clubs. And for some young Filipinos, the shift is already happening.
I mean, any agriculture-related programs are very sulit. Talaga worth it. Ang daming fieldworks at talagang masasabi ko na buhay ang college life ninyo kapag tinake ninyo ang agri-related programs. So far, so good. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. First sem pa lang nung last year. Talagang kahit mahirap, may mga scientific names na kailangan naming aralin. Talagang nag-enjoy
Panood ko
ako.
po yung pagtatanim ng lettuce. Start po ako magtanim sa 16 cups of lettuce lamang. Trinay ko po siyang i-post sa online. Hindi ko po lubos akalain na marami pong bibili kapag pundar po tayo ng sariling greenhouse at nakakapag-harvest na po tayo ng 400 cups of lettuce per month.
In the end, experts say agriculture today is no longer just traditional farming.
Pag sinabi mo kasing agrikultura or agriculture sa kanila, madalas na ikakabit nila ito sa word na kahirapan, ay ito yung mga community na hindi sapat yung kita. Dito sa agriculture, hindi lang sila magiging magsasaka, kundi magiging mga agripreneurs na rin sila. Agriculture is very adventurous. It is not just a boring na magtatanim ka lang yan tapos na, no.
As agriculture evolves, the next generation is encouraged to step in, not just to farm but to shape its future. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Danielle Dayao, we are One News.